The ni particle on its own has about 6 different usages, and it can be replaced by the e particle in 2. Let's look at those two first. The first usage of ni that most people learn about is the ni particle for movement. It's used with verbs like iku, to go, kuru, to come, kairu, to go home, and hairu, to enter. This is the first ni that is interchangeable with the e particle. For example,
日本に行きます。
I will go to Japan. You could absolutely write this as
日本へ行きます。
there is zero change in the meaning here. It's exactly the same. The next usage of ni which the e particle can replace is the ni particle that marks a location or surface on which you do something. You write on something or you get on something. For example,
紙に書きます。
I write on or will write on paper. You could also say
紙へ書きます。
this means the same thing. These are pretty much the only usages of the e particle, by the way. Let's quickly jump through the other 4 usages of ni, and we'll save the most frequently confused one for last. Ni can be used to mark specific times or dates, including things like Monday, Tuesday, or Christmas, because they are marking specific dates. But kyo, today, ashita, tomorrow, and things like that are not marked with this ni. With the words for seasons, haru, natsu, aki, fuyu, and the word toki, which means time or when, the ni particle is optional.
6時に食べます。
I will eat at 6 o'clock. Next is the ni particle for indirect objects. An indirect object is a thing or person that receives an object. So that receiving you can think of as directional. Think writing a letter to someone, giving an object to someone, or teaching someone something. For example,
友達に手紙を書きます。
I write or will write a letter to my friend. The fifth usage of ni is for things done for you or to you. Here, ni marks the person who did the thing. This is actually an N4 grammar point, so we're gonna save it for when the series reaches that point, but I'll give you a quick peek.
お母さんにケーキを買ってもらった。
I made my mom buy me a cake. Don't worry if you don't understand what's going on in this sentence just yet. The ni particle that marks the location a thing exists in is one that is often confused with the de particle. This only indicates the existence of someone or something somewhere, not the action they're doing. That's why de wouldn't work. The de particle marks a place that an action is performed or that you use to do an action.
友達は公園にいる。
My friend is in or exists in the park. The ni particle also shows up in some other grammar points, but we're not going to worry about those just yet. Here's a video about the de particle, by the way.